Book 299, New Mushroom-Based Fabric Could Replace Leather Without Using Animals or Plastic. Have you ever heard of a fabric made from mushrooms? Sounds weird, right? But scientists have created a new material that could replace leather without harming animals or using plastic. It's called mycelium-based fabric, and it's made from the roots of mushrooms. Mycelium is like a network of tiny fibers that grow under the ground. Scientists have found a way to turn these fibers into a strong, durable fabric. They did this by growing the mycelium in a special liquid, then mixing it with other natural ingredients to make it flexible and strong. The best part is that this fabric is biodegradable, meaning it can easily decompose and return to nature. It's also compostable, which means it can be turned into nutrient-rich soil. Imagine having a purse or shoes that can easily break down and become part of the earth again. The scientists are still working on making this fabric more resistant to tearing, but they're hopeful that it could become a game changer for the fashion industry. Who knows, maybe one day we'll all be wearing mushroom-based clothing and accessories.